You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words, those two contractions correctly. The top word on your screen is pronounced as wasn't, wasn't. Wasn't. It's the contraction for was not. It wasn't good. It wasn't. The bottom word is pronounced in British English as weren't. Weren't. They weren't happy. In American English, the pronunciation is as weren't. Slightly different. Weren't or weren't. Wasn't, weren't. And now you know. Did you get this? Did you get this pronunciation? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.